Welcome to the instructions video for the Coefficient of Discharge Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you determine how efficiently fluid flows through orifices, nozzles, venturi meters, and weirs by calculating the ratio between actual and theoretical flow rates. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter your flow parameters. Start by selecting your device type from the drop-down menu, whether it's an orifice, nozzle, venturi, or weir. Then, enter the actual measured flow rate in your preferred units. Next, input the theoretical flow rate based on ideal conditions. You can also enter physical dimensions like diameter and head pressure. The calculator will compute the coefficient of discharge, typically ranging from 0.6 to 0.98, depending on your device design. Higher values indicate more efficient flow with less energy loss. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.